If you're looking for ways to increase your credit score pretty quickly, then you may want to take a look at your credit card utilization. If you have credit cards and your utilization is pretty high, then you may want to go through each credit card, see which one is reporting the soonest, and pay it down to 15% utilization or less. Let me give you an example of how you may want to pay your credit cards down. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to look at someone's Credit Karma. Now, overall, their score is pretty low, but their actual profile is pretty good. So let's take a quick look at their credit profile. So their payment history is good. Your utilization, your card utilization is next, and then derogatory marks, credit age, so on and so forth. So this particular client, their overall profile is pretty good. What's holding them back is their card utilization. So we're going to look at all their credit cards. Once we click on credit card usage, she's using 68% of her overall credit card. So let's take a look. She has several credit cards. All right, cool. Her Credit One Bank, she's gone above and beyond the limit. So she has a credit card for $650. She's over 100% utilization. Her Capital One, she's over 100% utilization. She's using more than what she has. And then her Community Bank, this looks like a Victoria's Secret card, over 100%. City card, over 100%. Credit One Bank, 87%, so on and so forth, right? She only has one card that she's at 0% utilization. So what I would recommend in this situation is I would tell this particular client to pay down the card that's going to report the soonest. So today is July 11th, 2023. So we're going to click on each card and see what date they're reporting. So this reported June 23rd. So we can write that down. June 23rd. So more than likely around the 23rd of July, Credit One Bank is going to report. Her Capital One is next. Okay, same thing, June 23rd. So around the 23rd of July. Let's see if we have any cards reporting sooner. July 7th. So this one already reported. So this won't report. This card won't report until August 7th. So we missed that one. Citibank. Let's see, June 14th. So July 14th. That's in a couple of days. So depending on when the bill is actually due, she might be able to catch this. Usually the most banks report to the credit report. It's usually 2 to 3 days after the billing date or the statement date on the bill. So definitely take a look at your bill, go into the account, see when the bill is due. I always tell customers that you want to pay early. Early is on time is always late, right? And the reason why you want to pay a couple of days early, because sometimes you don't know when the date is going to fall on a weekend or not. Sometimes they'll report you as being late or having a missed payment. Just to avoid all that, always pay your credit cards in advance, a couple of days in advance. So if she pays this down, that would be good. So she has a credit limit of $200. If she just pays it almost completely down, then that would be ideal. So the Citibank would be the first one. Let's see if any other cards are reporting soon. Citibank, Citi Card, okay, Indigo. All right, so she's almost at 100%. And this is reported, this already reported. Okay, so far it looks like that one card. And then the other cards, it looks like she has to pay before the 23rd, which is not that far away, to about 10 days. What anyone should be doing is go through your list of credit cards, see which one is reporting the soonest. Okay, see when the due dates are. And if you can catch it, then pay it as low as possible. Like I said, don't zero them out and wait for it to report. Once it reports on your credit report, then your score will go up very quickly. If she took care of all of this, even if she couldn't afford to pay all of them down all at once, you can always pay in increments. Just pay early, pay a couple days early, and pay down the cards that are going to report to the credit bureaus the soonest. All right, that's all I have for now. If you guys have any questions, you want to set up a free consultation, my link is below. Have a good one.